How to turn on grid lines on the iPhone camera. Okay, let's start the video. So, if can help you line up your shoots in pro and commissions and take better looking photos. Let's start it. How to turn on it? You have to just open your settings. After opening the settings, now you have to just scroll up and find the camera options. Click on the camera options. After finding the camera options, now you can see here, scroll up, and now you are fine. You can easily grid options is there off, so you have want to turn on these options. Turn on the grid options. Turn on. Okay, go to the back, open the camera app. Now you can see here camera grid line will be enabled. I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel Genuine Guide. And which iPhone are you using right now? Tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. Genuine Guide YouTube channel.